Hey, it's Anna with WTI. If you want to get incredible curls without damaging your hair with heat, these heatless curlers are going to be your new best friend.
This is a 50-piece set from Aimin Hair, and these are so much fun. You get 50 pieces of these purple and pink curlers and two wands that you can use to pull your hair through. It takes a little bit of practice to get it right, but once you do, it goes so easily. What I really appreciate about this is I have extremely long hair, and these are made for people with long hair and they work perfectly. My hair goes right into these easily, and I end up with the most amazing Shirley Temple curls. I like to do mine with my hair a little bit damp because it really helps hold the curl so well once your hair has dried. These are so much fun if you want to have the most coily, bouncy curls. These last for days, and I am just so impressed with how well these work and so easy.
Say goodbye to heat damage and say hello to big, amazing curls with these heatless curlers. You're going to love them, and that's my point of view.